Hi there, I'm Tim, the Managing Director here at Pronto Marketing. And in this video, I'll tell you a little bit about our support plans and help you figure out which one is the right one for your business. First up, our technical support plan comes in at $99 per month, and this covers everything you need for the back-end maintenance of your website. Things like hosting, daily backups, and regular theme and plugin updates. This plan is perfect if your primary goal is to offload this back-end maintenance and have us take care of making sure your website is fast, secure, and up to date. Next is our website support plan at $299 per month. This includes everything from technical support plus full access to our front-end developers, graphic designers, and copywriters. And it's great for businesses who are looking to make a lot of updates to your site. This could be adding content or image changes to existing pages, or building brand new pages like a landing page for a marketing campaign you're planning to launch. And lastly, we have our dedicated support service at $5.99 per month. This includes everything from website support, plus a dedicated site manager who spends the time getting to know your business and your website. And this is great if your business has a more complex website. Maybe you have an e-commerce solution, or maybe you're just planning a series of significant projects to update to the site, and you want that more hands-on attention that a dedicated site manager will provide. If you're still not sure which plan is right for you, feel free to head over to our Contact Us page and submit the form there, or send an email to sales@prontomarketing.com, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks.